Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to find area of a triangle. So if we look at our formula chart, we know that our formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 times the length of the base times the height of the entire triangle. Now the length of the base for our first triangle is going to be 15. And the height, which is the right angle it makes, that height, which is straight up and down, because we don't go to the doctor and get measured leaning over, the height will be 6. So I'm going to plug these values into my formula. So I have 1/2 times that base, which is 15, times the height, which is 6. And I know that it does not matter what order I multiply in, so I can say 1/2 times 6 times 15, because I know that half of 6 is 3, so 3 times 15 gives me an area of 45 meters squared. All right, and now we're going to look at the next one. So again, we're still finding the area of our triangle, so my formula is still 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 times the base times the height. And I see that the base right here is 4 2/5. So base is equal to 4 2/5. And the height, if you notice, and we look at this dotted up and down piece, this makes a right angle if I were to extend the base. So 8.2 right here is my height. So again, I'm just going to plug in everything that I know. So I have 1/2 times the length of my base, which is 4 2/5, times my height, which is 8.2. I'm going to rewrite 4 2/5 as a decimal, just to help, because 8.2 is already in decimal form. And I know that 4 2/5 is equivalent to 4 4/10, or 4.4. So I have 1/2 times 4.4 times 8.2. Half of 4.4 is 2.2 times 8.2. So I'm going to come over here and do some multiplication. So I have 8.2 times 2.2. So 2 groups of 2/10 is 4/10. 2 times 8 holes is 16 holes. I put a 0 in because now I'm moving from the tenths place to the whole. 2 groups of 2/10 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. And now I'm going to find my partial sum, or I'm going to add up my partial products. So I have 1804, and because there are 2 numbers behind the decimal in my multiplication problem, there will be 2 numbers behind the decimal in my solution. So my area is 18 4/100 feet squared. All right, thank you.